Dear student, welcome to this class. Now, actually in last class we were discussing aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction of benzene or aromatic compound. Now in that topic we have discussed nitration of benzene, sulfonation of benzene, then sulfonation of benzene, nitration, then halogenation of benzene, chlorination, bromination. Now, in continuation with that, now next aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Now, what is alkylation? First, we must know what is the meaning of alkylation. Alkylation reaction means what? There is, suppose this is any organic compound, and from this organic compound if we are getting going to replacing hydrogen atom by any alkyl group, then we will have this type of compound product. In this reaction, this is any organic, any for just example, any organic reaction having hydrogen, and from this organic compound we are replacing hydrogen atom by alkyl group, any alkyl group, methyl, ethyl and propyl isoprene, any alkyl group, then we are getting this product, alkylated product, that is called alkylation. Alkylation is what? The reaction in which there is replacement of hydrogen atom, one hydrogen atom by one alkyl group is called alkylation. Okay, now come to this Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. What is this reaction? When benzene, for example, take benzene, if we treat this benzene with any alkyl halide molecule, alkyl halide, maybe methyl, ethyl, whatever, in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, just heat, small heating is required. Benzene or aromatic compound, this is the characteristic reaction of aromatic compound, for example benzene. Now this benzene is treated with alkyl halide in presence of anhydrous aluminium trichloride, then the hydrogen atom, one of the hydrogen atom from benzene ring having total 6 hydrogen atom, and all these hydrogen atom are identical, they are symmetrical or identical, then we can replace any hydrogen, just consider this hydrogen, then there is replacement of hydrogen atom by alkyl group, then that is called Friedel-Crafts. This is alkyl benzene. This is called Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Okay. This reaction is an best example of aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. We will discuss this, how this reaction takes place in mechanism. So, what we have to do? Any aromatic compound, generally aromatic compound is represented by this, arings is represented by this ARH. AR is a aryl group having hydrogen. Okay, then this aryl group, aromatic compound, aromatic hydrocarbon treated with alkyl halide molecule in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 and heat, then we get this hydrogen atom get replaced by alkyl group, that is called Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Now we will discuss the mechanism for this reaction, how this reaction take place. Okay, see, this is just example. Consider one more example. Benzene is treated with methyl chloride, for example methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 and heat, then what happen? Here alkyl group in methyl chloride, this is methyl chloride, in this methyl chloride alkyl group is methyl group, this methyl group replacing hydrogen atom. Okay, so therefore we are getting this product, hydrogen get replaced by methyl group HCl, that is toluene. Okay, this is the aromatic compound. In this reaction, hydrogen atom get replaced by methyl group, so it is methylation. In general, it is alkylation. There is replacement of hydrogen by alkyl group, alkylation. If particularly if we are replacing hydrogen by methyl group, then methylation. If we use ethyl group, ethylation, like this. Okay, so this is just an example. Methyl benzene octane or toluene is a product. Now we will discuss the mechanism. What actually happens in this reaction? See, just consider benzene treated with alkyl halide in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Anhydrous AlCl3 is a Lewis acid. Lewis acid having tendency to gain lone pair of electron. Okay, so that's why it is called Lewis acid HX. This is the reaction. Now what happened in this reaction? This alkyl halide molecule first react with AlCl3, anhydrous AlCl3, which is Lewis acid. This Lewis acid accept this halogen atom with bonding electron pair by this aluminium, and then giving R plus and X AlCl3 minus. Okay, like this. This is the electrophile. R plus means alkyl electrophile. And then we know, then this electrophile will react with benzene ring. Okay, this is the electrophile. Those in this initially alkyl halide in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 or Lewis acid form electrophile, and then that electrophile will involve in step 1, then step 2. Okay, and then after forming this electrophile get react with benzene. We know this R plus will going to form or attack with benzene ring and form this type of intermediate carbocation, arranes formation take place. Okay, and then step 2, this carbocation which is unstable extract H plus from this carbocation, and then this benzene ring gain aromatic character again back. This is the product obtained, and AlCl3 plus HX. Okay, so this is alkyl benzene. Very simple mechanism. So step 1 is a slow and RDS, and this is fast. Okay, so in step 1, electrophile R plus, which is formed previously by the reaction between alkyl halide and anhydrous AlCl3, they're going to produce H plus and AlCl3X minus. Okay, then that R plus, which is electrophile, will going to attack on benzene ring. This pi electron of one of the carbon atom bond will involve in the bond formation with R like this, and it will produce carbocation. Okay, and it is a resonance stabilized, then it will resonance stabilize, and then in next step this carbocation which is formed in step 1 will lose H plus and gain aromatic character. Now it is non-aromatic, therefore unstable, so that's why its step is slow. Okay, now after this H plus get abstracted by this AlCl3X minus, and then produce alkyl benzene AlCl3 plus HX. So this is the mechanism for Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, or in short we can write FC alkylation. F stand for Friedel, C for Crafts. Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Now there is one more Friedel-Crafts reaction, that is acylation. Next example is Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Arylation or acylation. Or acylation. We know acyl group. This group is called acyl group. C double bond O R. Okay, and this bond is free valency. Now, if the reaction in which there is replacement of hydrogen by acyl group, then that reaction is called acylation. In general, AH is any organic compound. If we are going to replacing hydrogen atom by acyl group, then that is called acylation process. This is acylation process. Acylation process. Okay, so this is the one of the example of electrophilic aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. Now for example, just consider same reaction, only reagent is different. Benzene, when this benzene is treated with acyl halide, RCOX, acyl halide. For example, we can use methyl acetyl chloride or benzoyl chloride. This is benzoyl chloride, one of them we can use. Okay, if we use acetyl chloride, then this reaction is called acetylation. If we use benzoyl chloride, then this reaction is called benzoylation. Okay, so one of them we can use, or different acyl halide we can use here, whichever we want to attach. Okay, anhydrous AlCl3 and heat, then there is replacement of hydrogen by acyl group take place, and that is nothing but ketone, acyl benzene or ketone. Actually it is one of the type of ketone. Okay, so this reaction is called Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Now just take one example. Instead of this acyl halide, we can use acetyl chloride. Then what is product? Anhydrous AlCl3 and heat. Then we get, there is replacement of hydrogen by acyl group. This. So this is acetyl benzene or phenyl methyl ketone. If we use benzoyl chloride here, instead of this, if we use benzoyl chloride, then what we get? Then this type of product obtained. Okay, diphenyl ketone. This is diphenyl ketone or benzophenone. It is acetophenone actually. It is acetophenone and it is benzophenone. So these are the some example for Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Now come to its mechanism. Same mechanism just like Friedel-Crafts acylation, alkylation. Okay, here also we have to react this aromatic compound or benzene with acyl halide in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Then we get product. So that how this reaction takes place? See, initially this acyl halide react with AlCl3, anhydrous AlCl3, and just heat. Same reaction take place. You will get this type of carbocation. This bond will break heterolytically, and then X get attached to AlCl3, negative sign. Okay, so then this is electrophile. This is the electrophile, and then in step 1, this benzene react with this carbocation, like this. You will get this type of intermediate carbocation, and then in step 2, this carbocation or this abstract hydrogen, and you will get product. aromatic character regained by this ring plus HH plus AlCl3. Okay, so this is the product obtained, acyl benzene. So again this is slow and RDS. Okay, same similar mechanism just like alkylation. Okay, so this is the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Okay, now in this topic we will discuss all some example of aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction like halogenation. Under this halogenation, chlorination, bromination, then nitration means replacement of hydrogen by nitro group, then sulfonation, replacement of hydrogen by sulfonyl group SO3H, and then Friedel-Crafts reaction, acylation and alkylation. So these are the some example of aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction, and these are the characteristic reaction of any aromatic compound. All aromatic compound must undergo this type of reaction. Okay, so now after this we will discuss the some theoretical part about aromatic ring in next video. Thank you very much.